Welcome to Channel K-Talk Lab, where pop meets learning. In this lesson, we're learning Korean directly from the CORTIS vlog Pack Up Bro. This vlog shows the members packing their bags, joking around, and speaking in very natural, casual Korean. So today, we're going to slow everything down, zoom in on each phrase, and meticulously rebuild the grammar logic step by step. Now look at this moment where the members are packing. You'll hear the phrase,
짐을 싸요.
Let's break this foundational phrase into parts.
짐을
Means luggage or your stuff. Is the object marker. And
싸요.
from
사다.
means to pack. When you connect them, it means to pack luggage. This is the polite form, commonly used camera to audience. But also, in fast, casual speech, Koreans often drop the object marker. This verb is deeper than a simple bring.
챙겨가다.
Means to take something with you, making sure it's prepared. It implies a sense of attention and preparation. The member says,
제가 챙겨갈 거면요. 챙겨가다.
conjugated into a complex conditional sentence.
제가
Means I, polite form.
챙겨갈 거면
This is the key structure. It combines the future tense marker
를
with the conditional ending,
며
resulting in the meaning, if I am going to take it.
요
The standard polite ending. So the full phrase means, if I am going to take this along carefully, the speaker is using the base verb
챙겨가다.
to discuss the condition of packing that specific item. The base word here is
건조하다.
a descriptive verb meaning to be dry. Remember, Korean descriptive verbs behave exactly like action verbs in conjugation. When discussing face packs, the member says,
LA 겁나 건조하긴데
let's break down this natural, casual phrase.
겁나
This is strong, casual slang meaning super or extremely. It replaces the more formal,
아주
or,
너무 건조하.
the stem of our base verb. This ending
긴데
is a casual way to say, it is dry, but, or it is indeed dry, and therefore, it sets up the rest of the thought. So the member is saying, LA is super dry, so I must use a mask pack. The core concept, dry, comes directly from.
건조하다.
This is a very natural question Koreans ask in daily life. It is purely casual, used only between close friends or people the same age. One member asks,
너 뭐 하는 거야?
let's break it down so even beginners can follow.
너
Means you, casual.
뭐
Means what?
하는
Means doing.
거야?
Is casual question ending. The entire question feels relaxed. To make this polite, you would change.
너
And the ending too.
하시는 거예요?
But for close friends, stick with the super casual.
너 뭐 하는 거야?
This phrase is extremely useful because it is a complete mastery of Korean subtlety. You're hearing a combination of necessity and a softened opinion, all in one sentence.
나도 하나 줄여야 될 것 같아.
Let's break it down.
나도
This is a crucial addition. It means I also or me too. The speaker is observing what the other person is doing and realizing they must do the same.
하다.
Means one, and here it acts as a casual placeholder for one item. The verb
줄이다.
means to reduce, is wrapped in a dual structure,
야되다.
is necessity, must end,
것 같아.
is softened opinion, I think. The speaker is using this complex structure to provide a thoughtful suggestion, not a command. The entire phrase demonstrates how to sound extremely natural and polite in Korean. Let's dive deep into the grammar logic now. Let's take
하는 거야.
and rebuild it slowly so you understand every piece. Our base verb is
하다.
means to do. We always remove the dictionary ending.
다.
To get the verb stem, removing
다.
leaves us with the stem.
하.
We attach the marker
응.
to the stem.
하.
To get.
하는.
This is how Koreans turn a verb into a continuous idea, just like adding king in English.
하는.
Means doing. The core noun here is
거.
meaning thing or fact. This is casually contracted to
거.
when attached to
하는 것.
means the thing you are doing. Finally, we add
야,
or
야.
to ask, is it? So the Korean logic is it the thing you are doing right now? This is the precise, thoughtful construction of.
하는 거야.
This is one of the most natural sounding structures. We are combining two grammar blocks. Our base verb is
줄이다.
means to reduce. We remove.
다.
To get the stem.
줄이.
To express necessity, the idea of must or have to, we use the structure stem plus.
아.
Or,
어야 되다.
since the stem
줄이.
ends in the vowel,
이.
it blends perfectly with the following vowel,
어.
merging into.
여야.
This gives us,
줄여야 된다.
which means must reduce. This is where the magic happens. We attach the soft opinion ending.
늘 것 같아.
This structure is the difference between a command and a gentle suggestion. The ending
늘 것 같아.
softens any statement. You are not saying you must reduce it, but rather, I think you should reduce it. Koreans use this to be polite and thoughtful. It's an essential tool for sounding kind. We merge the two big blocks, necessity and soft opinion. Koreans naturally contract.
될.
From.
되어야.
You don't need to memorize the contraction, just get used to recognizing that.
될 것 같아.
Is the natural way to say I think it must be, should be. We follow the basic vowel rule for polite present tense. Start with the stem.
사.
The final vowel of
사.
is.
아.
The rule states if the stem's final vowel is
아.
or
오.
you use
아요. 사.
plus
아요.
naturally contracts into.
싸요.
The verb
하다.
means to do is arguably the most common verb in Korean, and it is a consistent irregular verb. Instead of following the vowel pattern, the stem
하.
almost always changes directly into
해.
in the polite form. So,
하다.
always becomes.
해요.
Memorize this one first. You now understand not only the words, but also the grammar logic behind them. You didn't just repeat Korean, you understand how Korean sentences are built, from the stem all the way to the polite ending. Keep practicing these core structures. See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join the lab.